we go.
Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, go.
My name is Penelope Rose, and this is my mother.
What are we making today? Well, first of all, where are we?
We're in Buffalo, New York, right now next to Lake Erie.
Isn't that fun? So we're in our new kitchen in Buffalo, New York, and we're coming back at you with what? What are we making today? What do we have here?
We are making chocolate syrup today.
Half a cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Make sure you have an adult watching you with this part.
Let's try 6. No, bring it to 8. So you're going to bring your sauce to a boil as you mix in the cocoa powder.
This is a very dangerous part. Keep your hair up and do not get close to the fire.
Go ahead and take it off the heat, and then you stir until all the chocolate's melted. And if you want it to be thicker, you just add a little bit more of your chocolate chips, chocolate sauce. So this is really great over fresh ice cream or fruit. We love it, right? Clearly.
Peach actually pulls it down.
Or pear. I'm really good over pear.
Pear, peach, whatever. Easy peasy lemon squeezy,
There you go.
homemade.
Chocolate syrup.
Mm.
Okay. Boom.